Hi guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Today we're in the shop with our man Ian, and we're working on something that a lot of people don't consider. There's a great product out there. It is a repair in a can for vehicles that, the new vehicles, there's a lot of new vehicles out on the road that don't come with a spare tire. And what they offer is an inflator with a product that gets added to the tire called basically stop leak. There's different versions of it out there. Bottom line is it's a quick repair. It's meant to be to get you going, and a band-aid, certainly not long term, because what happens is, of course, the fluid gets added to the tire and it therefore throws the tire out of balance, meaning that you're going to probably get a hop at some point in time once the vehicle settles and the fluid rests to the bottom of the tire. It will cause an out of balance situation. So today we have the very good luck of having one of these tires here, and I will let Ian explain to you the joy, the sheer joy of dealing with this product.
Hi everybody, how are we this afternoon? It is afternoon after all. So we've got a customer that came in and had added a stop leak on the road so they could get going over the weekend. There was a puncture in the tire caused by a screw, which I will repair after cleaning out the stop leak product. But basically what we have is the aftermath there. It has to be wiped off of the wheel because there is a water-based element to it and it can cause corrosion. So I've gone around, and you kind of have to just wipe it down. It gets a little sticky because, of course, once we take the tire off, it starts to gel and stick up.
Now there are different products out there, I should note. This one in particular is TPMS, tire pressure monitor safe. So it is more of a liquid, but there are some old school aerosol style tire repair out there that you can get at Canadian Tire and the like that are much worse as far as trying to clean up.
Absolutely, and in fact those products can damage the tire pressure sensor, which will increase the cost of repair at the end of the day. Now also inside the tire you can see the liquid kind of pooled in the bottom of the tire there, and all of that has to come out because that rolling around inside the tire will cause an out of balance situation.
For those of you that have not seen anything like that, that might be interesting. Kind of looks like a milkshake. So once we get that out, what do we have to do, Ian? We've got to just leave the remnants in there, or do we wipe it out of the tire?
We've got to fully wipe it out of the tire so that any remnants, any moisture gets out of the tire. Again, we don't want the corrosion to happen after the fact either.
Right.
And all for a screw puncture, which is right here.
Oh no. It's in a good spot though. We can repair that with a plug.
Absolutely.
So we're good there. Anything else we want to add about this situation?
Well, after having to do this, we've got to remount the tire, pressure it back up. In this case, we'll be putting nitrogen in the tire because that's what the customer has on their other set of tires. And then we'll be rebalancing the tire. So pretty routine operation otherwise.
So we will also clean up the rim because, as people see, we've got some corrosion happening on the rim, oxidation that comes up. That is created from salt and road debris, moisture that comes in and actually causes the oxidation, the breakdown of the aluminum. Will get cleaned up. We'll put a sealer on it. This is your tire pressure sensor that, as you see, also has some remnants on it, which we'll have to clean and wipe out. So not always an easy task for doing this kind of repair. It does take some time, and when you go to your shop and they tell you that it's going to cost you $30 to redo it, now you know why. Have a great day.